Lovely Tea's Kitchen. Today we're going to make French toast with strawberry topping and whipped cream. We're going to make our special eggs and we're going to make bacon. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So we already have our bacon in a skillet. We have our heavy whipped cream. We have our strawberries. Please don't forget to wash your strawberries. We have 3 eggs and we have heavy whipping cream in here. We had a pint of heavy whipping cream and you only get like about 2.5 cups out of that. So you only have half of a cup right there. That's going to go into your eggs. And then you have the rest in this pan and that's going to go for your French toast. So you're going to put your 3 eggs in there first. Then you're going to put your cinnamon. And then you're going to put your vanilla extract. And then this is sugar, which is 1 cup. You're not going to put the whole cup in there. You're going to put half of that inside of your mix for your French toast. And then you're going to put the rest of it in your strawberries. You put 3 eggs in your heavy whipping cream. And you put your half a cup of sugar. You put 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and you put 1/4 cup of your vanilla extract inside of there. You're going to mix it up really well, and then you also put the rest of the sugar in your strawberries. You're going to mix that up really well as well. I love using French toast because it soaks up the mix a lot better than a regular thin piece of bread. So your mix is going to look like this. So you mix it really well, and then you mix your strawberries really well with the sugar. So it's not, I mean, it doesn't look bad at all. It's not, it deforms like a little bit of juice, but you want that. You want that juice to be drizzled all over the French toast. Then your bacon is already done, so it's gorgeous, very pretty. We have coated the skillet with canola oil. We just made sure it was moisturized really well. So you dip your French toast into the mix and then you put it on the skillet. You want to put it on medium heat. You don't want to cook that too fast because you'll burn it up. So you want to keep flipping it over so it doesn't stick to the pan. Just keep flipping it until it gets really pretty and brown. So you put butter chips on the French toast, and then when you put your other French toast on top of that, that way that butter has already came in contact with that other French toast. So now we're doing our eggs. You mix it up really well. Here go our heavy whipping cream. I am using a shot glass, which is 1 ounce. You're going to put it inside of your mixing bowl. You're going to mix it really well. It's going to make the eggs really fluffy and pretty. In our skillet, we have put our bacon grease inside of the skillet. So we're going to use that, and we're going to cook the eggs with the bacon grease. It's going to add a lot of flavor, and then you're going to put a little salt and a little pepper to taste. Okay, you put your eggs inside the skillet. Now you can actually see the oil, the bacon grease, because it kind of overpowers the egg, but I promise you it's going to soak in there and you're not going to see the oil. It's not going to be oily. I promise you the eggs won't be oily at all. It's going to suck it all up, and then all the good flavor is going to go into the egg. You want to kind of move it around a little bit so it can kind of suck up into the egg, and see how it's looking all fluffy and pretty. And you just keep messing with it, keep stirring it, flipping it with your spatula. So you just keep flipping it with your spatula, keep turning it until it is the way you like it. Some people like it medium well, some people like it all the way done. So it just depends how you like it. And here go our breakfast all plated up. It's so beautiful. You got your orange juice. Yummy, yummy. Thank you for joining us today, Lovely Tea's Kitchen. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you next time.